Welcome to Coding with Sam. In this video we will learn the basics of HTML, how to create a file, how to open it, view it, and how to save it with an HTML extension. So step 1, open Notepad. This is the most basic editor on the planet. It just edits text. In the future we'll be using more complex editors, but for now this will do nicely. To start HTML, all HTML documents start with a doc type, like such. An opening and closing tag. So HTML is a markup language and it uses what's known as tags. So a tag is a less than sign or an open bracket followed by the tag name or the element name, in this case HTML, the entire document, with a greater than sign closing the tag. This is an example of an opening tag for HTML. This is very similar, except for it has this / here. / means it's a closing tag. So in this case, we're telling a web browser, or whatever is reading this HTML document, that this is of type HTML. There's a long history of doc type, and before doc types was used, I won't get into that just now. So once we open our HTML, there are two main elements that every HTML document needs, and that is head and body. Inside the head, we will create a title. In the title, we will say hello world. In the body, we will also say hello world. This is a complete HTML document. We will now save this. Go to File, Save As. Go to your desktop and save this as index.html. It will look like this. If you double click on that, it will open in whatever browser you have as your default. In this case I have Google Chrome, which I highly recommend. Because we have this title element here in the head, you will see it says hello world there. There's a lot of fancy stuff you can do with that. We'll get into that more later. And then because I have hello world here, this is hello world here. And you could change this. I could show you that you can changing these and then going to File and Save. Something that I highly recommend you learn is shortcut keys. In this case, Control S. So instead of going to File, Save, I will hold Control, hit S. You notice there was an asterisk right here. That means there were changes to the file. Now they are saved, so the asterisk is gone. But notice nothing changed over here yet. We have to refresh the browser to tell it, go look at that file again. Once I refresh, now it says greetings world, and here it says hi world, showing that these are two separate things. Tomorrow we will learn the basics of CSS and add some styling to our HTML. Thank you for watching.